Hello guys, in this video we'll learn how to connect and interact with Elasticsearch in Rust. So we'll spin up Docker instance of Elasticsearch and dump some data, and then we'll perform search from our Rust application. So let's get started. Now for dumping some data we need a JSON file. So I just added this JSON file with index as books, and for each book we have a title, an author, a genre and a summary. So I'll drop this JSON in the description of this video. You can use the same JSON as well. So let's get started. First of all, we'll write our Docker compose to spin up our container and dump this data, and then we will move to the other side where we'll add the Rust part. So let's get started. So first of all, just add a Docker compose in your project, and version as we'll use 3.8, and then we'll use services, Elasticsearch, image as Elasticsearch 7.17.0, and container name as, let's say, Elasticsearch, and then we'll pass the environment variable, which is discovery.type as single node, and then we'll bind the ports. So for communication we use 9200, and for internal node communication it's 9300, and then we'll add a health check, which is command shell, and we'll use curl http localhost and 9200 or exit 1, and then we'll add the interval as, let's say, 30 seconds, and timeout after 10 seconds, and retries as 5, just to make sure Elasticsearch container runs and starts. And then we will add load data, and the image we'll use here is appropriate curl, container name as load data, depends on Elasticsearch, and the condition we'll add is when the service is healthy. So once we have that, we'll add the entry point, and here we will just say shc colon and echo. So we'll just say waiting for Elasticsearch to be ready, and then we'll just say sleep, let's say 10, and then we'll just do curl -h, content type as application JSON to dump, and -x post http Elasticsearch 9200, and we'll just say bulk pretty data binary and data.json. So once we have this, we'll just say echo data loaded, and then we'll just say colon to end, and the next thing is volumes. So we'll just say /data.json, because my data.json file is sibling of Docker compose, but you can specify any location where it is, and then data.json inside the container. So we bind our volume and our service of Elasticsearch. Now let's go ahead and spin up our container. So just go ahead and open your terminal, and here we will just do docker compose up, so there you go. As you can see, our data is added, and we can see, so if you see the status 201 or 200, basically your data is added, and let's go ahead and consume it. So first of all, we'll move to our cargo toml file. Here we need Elasticsearch with latest version, and Saturday JSON for JSON, and then we need Tokyo with version as latest and features as full, and then we'll build our project. So once our dependencies are added, we'll move to our main and async Tokyo main, and here we will add transport single node http localhost 9200 and await, actually unwrap, and then we'll use the client Elasticsearch new and pass our transport. Then we'll just query, so we'll just do response client dot search, and here we'll add search parts index, and the index that we want to search is on books, so we'll just pass the same here, and we want from 0 and want, let's say, 3 records, and body, so JSON, and here we will use query and match. So this is full text search, and then I want to search on basis of genre, and we want to search for classic, and then we'll just do send.await.unwrap, and finally after this we'll just print it. So we'll just do response.json value await.unwrap, and make sure to import this from Saturday JSON. There you go. Now let's go ahead and test our application. So just open your terminal and a new tab and do cargo run. So there you go. As you can see, we get 3 records. So classic as genre, and then for the second one we should have it somewhere here, classic, and for the last one, the third one that we get is classic, so we get classic genre here. Now let's say we want to search for novel in the summary, so just close the tab and just change this to summary, and we want to find this. So remember, this is full text search, so it will look for all the combinations such as love or novel or any other words. So let's do cargo run. So there you go. As you can see, it shows us a novel about, and similarly yeah, there are others as well, a novel. So that's how you can do full text search. Let's close this. So that's how you can do search with Elasticsearch, and you can perform different queries, maybe increase the size and play with it, and comment down below any use case, any problems, anything that you run into, and I'll be happy to help. Like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.